Hello, today I'm going to change the aerator pump on a Basstender 11.3. Start taking the old hose off, we'll cut the wires. The tube disconnected. I'm going to cut the electrical wires. Alright, we got it disconnected there. Now on the back side of the boat right here, I'm going to take this nut right here loose. You gotta push out on the inside. There we go. We got it disconnected. So here's the old aerator pump, and this is the new aerator pump. We got the short one. I'm gonna have to make an adapter. So basically, I'm gonna need to make a nipple. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Just put this on the new aerator pump. So that's the connector that goes to the live well, pumps water in the boat. So I've got this 3/4 inch adapter, it's threaded. It's going to screw on right here. So got this threaded on. I got this 6-inch Schedule 80 pipe threaded on both ends. I cut it in half. This piece can be 2.5 to 2 3/4 of an inch long. I'm going to glue this. I'm going to glue this in here. And then we'll have a modified nipple to go through the hole. We'll have it go through like that. We'll connect it back here, and then we'll silicone it all together. There's a custom version of the aerator. You can only find the short replacement. Alright, I'm going to prime the fittings, put them together. This is all-purpose primer. Use all-purpose cement. Use all-purpose primer and cement to connect your fitting. Now I got my fitting. I'm going to put some tape around the threads and then connect the fitting to the pump. We got some Teflon tape on there. Now we're going to connect the fitting. Tape's on there. Put the fitting together. Got the old pump. Got the new pump fabricated, ready to go. Let's put it back together. Pump's gonna fit in like that. Threaded pipes coming through the hole. We're gonna put a piece of tape there. Alright, got some Teflon tape on it. Put the nut back on. Tighten up the nut with a wrench. Just make sure this nut's snug. I'm gonna put some silicone around. I'm gonna reconnect the plumbing. Put the hose on there. Tighten it up. Alright, got the plumbing hooked back up. And we just gotta wire it back up. Cut the pump wires down to needed length. Here's the positive negative for the boat. Pretty straightforward, brown to brown, black to black. Got the wires crimped up. Just get a lighter and shrink the connector down with some heat. Make a waterproof seal. It's getting too windy. We got a waterproof seal on the wires. Just fasten all the wires to the plumbing with some zip ties. New aerator pump installed on a Basstender 11.3. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, leave in the comments below.